Everyone, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 12 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the photo to contact in this device. Start with opening your contact list, for example with the usage of the dialer. It does not really matter. Let's go to your contacts, find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. So let me pick maybe Billy. Now let's tap on this edit icon, so the pencil icon. And let me quickly remove the photo. So this is what you will see after entering the contact without any kind of photo. So let's simply tap on this camera or this option add photo, and you can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery. And I will pick this option, so let me tap on it, and here we have to find it and tap on it again. Okay, got it. And right here in this section we can actually customize what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted as not circle square is responsible for it. So we can zoom in or out the photo. We can change the size of this highlighted square also. So basically position it like you want to. After positioning it, you can also rotate the picture, so up to you again, and then tap on save copy if you are ready. The photo will be immediately applied, so you can check how it will look like, and then tap on save. Remember to tap on it in the right upper corner, and there we've got the Billy, so the photo has been added and you will be able to see it, for example on the contact list, or for example during all incoming calls from that number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.